Okay, I'm going to show you how to get a pressure washer set up. I got to pressure wash a couple of driveways here, and then I'll be doing some shoe molding, tear some shoe molding out of an elevator over here in this building. I'll show you that after I get done pressure washing a couple of driveways. All right, so the first thing, how to hook it up. First and foremost, you got to hook your water hose up, okay? It's tied in down there to the water spigot. Okay, then you gotta unravel your cord, stretch it out straight like I did. You take this end, this pulls back right here. See how it pushes back? You gotta push that back, slide it in there, and you hear it click, it's in there. Now, you grab your hose or your wand. I'm gonna use a surface cleaner. I didn't have, my old one broke, and when I pressure washed yesterday, I had to do that area with just this tips. You got different sizes of tips, you know. That's a turbo tip. But anyway, I'm gonna be using a surface cleaner today. Man, it'll make it a lot faster. So then you do this, and then you take this end. This end is gonna go right into your wand right here, and it's the same thing. You push it right in there until it clicks. You know. So here we go. Let's push it in there until it clicks. Let me sit this down a minute. Hold on. All right, you hear it click? Okay, it's in there. There we go. So now, what you want to do is you got to prime it now. So you want to turn the water pressure on. You come over here, you turn the water on. It's leaking. But you turn the water on. Water's on. Now, you got to prime your machine before you start it. So you grab your hose and you push it. You hear there? You want to hold it down until water starts coming out, okay? So when you start seeing water come out, then you know it's ready to, it's primed. Because if you start it before you do this, you're gonna burn your pump up in your motor. That's your pump. Right here's your pump. So I can start hearing it. It's almost coming. Here it comes. Look here. See how it's coming? So now we've got it primed. Okay, so we can let off of this. The next step is to make sure you got your gasoline turned on and your choke. Here's your gas. You turn it on. This is your choke. You turn it to your left on choke. You got to switch over here, on and off. You want, obviously, turn it on. Okay, now you'll pull the crank, but you never pull the crank while you got the hose, running, right? You know what I'm saying? So what I do first is I do the edges. I'll put this on here on my end of this one because I'll do the edges of these driveways. I'll do a strip like this wide because if I don't, my surface cleaner might hit that high edge and it'll break it. So we're gonna put this on here like this, same thing. We're gonna hold it up here. Watch, we're gonna pull this back like I said, push it in there. And once you push it in there, you hear it click, now it's in there. Okay, now we're ready to look. See how it's shooting water here? See that? I want to turn it a little because I like turning it this way, like that. Okay. Now, when I start it, see, I'll be able to I'll be able to do just the edge all the way down on both sides. See, when I get the pressure, I'll do the edge. I'll show you. Let's kick this water hose out of the way. Get that off there. Okay, so now everything's ready. So when you go to start it, you hold your nozzle down the whole time you're starting it. Hold on, let me get my tripod. So I can do this. Look at that water, that spigot's leaking. They didn't even do spigot on there. I'll have to tell them and maybe they can pay me to fix it, huh? It's a 2-for-1, baby. So anyway, I'll put you on my tripod here. All right, let me make sure you can see here. Let me make sure you can see everything. All right, let me see. Oh, okay, here we go. Now, you can see everything right here. So you can see that. So we're going to start it now. So we're going to hold our handle down. We're going to hold our handle down. See that water? Hold our handle down. While we hold our handle down, we're going to pull it. Now, look, okay? Now, we want to crank up this. You got to crank this up. You see your turtle? You got slow and turtle. Let's take it up a little bit. And then once it fires up, you want to take the choke off immediately. And then you want to go pull the turtle up more. So here we go. All right, choke's off. And so look here, check this out. Remember I was going to do the engines first? That's all you got to do, just like that. That keeps my surface clean from breaking. The muddy job too. I got overalls. I should have been overalls on. Stand back here. And you got to keep that side on too. All right, here we go. Same thing. We're going to hit up this side, okay? First, you want to wash all this stuff. Now you come here. See that? These leaves off. All right, now here we go. Let's get started. Look at that. We're ready to take the surface cleaner. Put the surface cleaner on. Blow all them leaves off first. sticks because any big sticks and stuff, don't hurt them. Hurt the surface cleaner. So we're good right here. We're good. Now we can hook onto this. How do you hook onto this? Yeah. Take this surface cleaner here. Watch this. Watch this surface cleaner. I got to turn the pressure up on the machine. I turned it down yesterday because I was doing more work. But see, I can turn the pressure up. Push it all the way up. Now to clean better. So I'm going to fit this right here, somewhere where you guys can see.